Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Goel, and in this video we are going to solve x power 4 minus x is equals to 0 where x belongs to positive integer. So let's start with the today's video solution. So first I'm taking x common. So what is left? X cubed minus 1 is equals to 0. So now we have two factors. So either x is equals to 0 or x cubed minus 1 is equals to 0. So x cubed minus 1, we can write it as x cubed minus 1 cube. And the formula is x minus y, x square plus xy plus y square. So if we put the value, so it becomes x minus 1, x square plus x plus 1 square, that is 1. So either x minus 1 is equals to 0 or x square plus x plus 1 is equals to 0. So now I'm going to add 1 both sides. So the value of x is 1. So now we have two values of x. X is equals to 0. X is equals to 1. Now we have to solve this. So it's like a quadratic equation. So we are going to use the formula x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now the value of a is coefficient of x square, that is 1. The value of b is coefficient of x, that is 1. And the value of c is constant, that is 1. So x is equals to minus 1 plus minus under root 1 square minus 4 times a times c divided by 2 times a. Minus 1 plus minus under root 1 minus, here in place of c we write the value of c, that is 1. So 1 minus 4 divided by 2. So minus 1 plus minus under root minus 3 divided by 2. So as we know, under root minus 1 we can call it as iota. So minus 1 plus minus iota root 3 divided by 2. So the other two values of x is minus 1 plus iota root 3 divided by 2. And the second is minus 1 minus iota root 3 divided by 2. So they are going to reject this value because we have already said that the x is a positive integer. So the value of x is 0 and 1 in this case. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.